To create a dashboard using a stored procedure, I'll go ahead and just use the data source. So I'm going to use my stored procedure here, SP get orders by date range. It has two parameters, start date and end date. All of my data is from 1996 to 1998. So I'm just going to grab some arbitrary long period here all the way to today. We can preview whatever that data happens to be, select the data. Now I want to put this in a grid. So let's grab the order date and we'll grab the customer ID, customer name, just a few columns here. And that's great. So I'm going to check the box and I want to now be able to filter by this data. So I'm going to add a filter. I'll add a date filter. I'll connect it. And now my date field is connected. I'll check the box. So here we have all of our data from 1996, 1997, etc. I want to do a custom date range. So let's just pick here 1996 data and let's go 1996, January 1st. Let's go back to 1996, December 31st, apply. And you can see in my order date, I only have data from 1996. If I edit this, we'll duplicate this visualization and let's change it to a column chart. So we can see 1996 shows up. I'll check this box. We'll go back to here. We'll change this to all time, apply, and we can see that our filter works against our stored procedure.